All right, guys. How you doing this week? How you doing this week? Welcome to another episode. So, guys, let's quickly do a breakdown on what we are to project this week, this new week. So, uh, let's start from the daily time frame. So, I'm going to be analyzing GU. So, currently, we saw this long move on GU. The spike, the the NFP spike reacted bearish last week Friday, and it changed the direction. It went for liquidity. It went for major liquidity. Pardon me if you can hear the noise on the background. It's actually something that is beyond my control. I really appreciate you if you can bear with me. There's a party going on beside me, but notwithstanding, this bearish move, I actually closed. I was actually in the sell three position, but I closed right before the news. That was 1:27 p.m. Nigeria time. I closed, and I regretted closing those trade because it actually went well and it did roughly 1:5, 1:6 thereabout, and it was beautiful. But I don't have regret over it. Never. I do not have regret over it. But now looking at this very time frame, this is daily time frame. Now we can see that pounds dollar has been bullish, has actually been bullish. But what we can say about it right now is we expect it to retrace because the dollar seems to be stronger than the pounds dollar. But as that is not happening, we also react with the market. So this is um this is a level I want price to at least trade into before we start to look for buy opportunities. But if that is not happening and price retrace the tomorrow's um candle retrace to the buy side and starts to rally up, fine, no problem, because we are currently bullish until this very low has been taken out and there's a reasonable confirmation before we can say, okay, we are bearish on this very pair. But we cannot just go bearish because of some little move that happened on Friday. You understand? We can't just go bearish. But meanwhile, looking at places that price could react from, this level, this very level, price is actually reacting from this level. You can see the sell off happen from here. That's to tell you that this level is a very strong zone. Is a very strong zone. This eye is a very strong eye. And I don't think price will come for it anytime soon. But if anything makes price goes for it, then we should anticipate a bullish continuation to this level or this very level at the top. This level at the top. So this supply level at the top. But but for that to happen, we expect price to at least test the demand level, which is either this other block, this level, this other block. Sorry, I have to make this candle small. And so sorry about today. Doing party in my area, and I have no control over the background noise. Just have to bear it. But looking at realistically this level, once this level is taken, I expect that price should still at least come for this FVG, at least do something like this. At least price should come for this level, this FVG, then continue to rally to the upside. But if this doesn't happen, then we'll see price coming for this level. See price coming for this level drastically, coming for this level, then make a sharp retest to an institutional level, then make a beautiful drop up to this level. This is on the daily though. There's nothing uh we can actually do on this time frame other than to anticipate possible directions. But me, I'm currently on this. I'm currently on this very bias. Price does something like this at most, but price is supposed to at least, you know. Then this is my current bias. This is currently my bias, but price could possibly do something like this. Price could possibly do something like this. The next candlestick should, come for this place, come for this high, then make a retest, then continue the bullish move, and we are good. If that happens, we are good. But as that has not happened, I don't think we can react for now. If that happen, I don't think we can react for now. So let me remove this. I'm not interested in putting, just knowing that there's a gap here, the price will feel, because if you notice, this is a valid order block. This level here is an order block level. Price, this low led to the break of this very structure, led to the break of this very high. So there is now displacement, which is the fair value gap. Price should at least test it before it continues to buy. But if that is not happening, immediately let's see how Monday plays out. Monday is going to give us confirmation, or Tuesday is going to give us confirmation for the possible direction for the week. So let's look at the 4H time frame. Oh, this is beautiful. The 4H time frame has actually done its own. Oh, but actually, I anticipated a buy from this level. This was way before the news. Way before the news, I anticipated that price should come for this. Come to a supply, reasonable supply, then starts to buy from there. But in as much as I've seen this very sharp liquidity void, it's either it feels it immediately this week or it continues to sell. So I have two buyers this week. Either it feels this FVG or it continues to sell. Now, when it continues to sell, I have to tell you that it's going for sell side liquidity, and it's also going for a much more supply zone, which is, you know, taking out this liquidity, this level, our supply area before we can see another bullish move. But if the GU is still very much bullish, because the minor structure is showing that it's bullish. If it's still very much bullish, we can anticipate that price should just do its thing and come for continues to buy. So that's just what I've seen so far. So guys, that's what I can say for now. That's what I can say for now. And do well to subscribe to this channel. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate your time. God bless you. I would have analyzed the XY now, but okay, I would have analyzed the XY. Let me see how many minutes is left for me. Okay, let's just quickly take a look at the XY before we round up this very analysis. In the next analysis, we will look at gold, but there's not enough time for me to do that right now. But let's just look at DXY and see how price, at least the projection for DXY should be able to, you know, should be able to understand what the dollar pair is currently doing right now. So this is DXY on the 4 hour time frame. Now you can see just that supply level held. Price did not trade below it. It did as anticipated. It did as anticipated. So this was beautiful. This was a beautiful price delivery on Friday. And if price should continue to the upside, this is another level that price should at least retest. Price should at least retest this level. Then if anything makes it breaks this very high, then we are looking at all this buy side liquidity up to this breakaway gap here, up to this level. But if it doesn't happen, price should at least still come and fill this imbalance, or this liquidity resting below, price could definitely come for it. Mind you, we still have a much more supply level that price still needs to mitigate. But price haven't mitigated it. And once price trades away from this level, this very high, then I am officially bullish back on DXY. But once this level is not taken out with a body, I want to see a body close of a candlestick here. Once it's not taken out, this very low is still not protected. Once it is taken out, this very low should hold price. Anything that makes price comes to this level, then we should keep buying. So once I anticipate price to come like this, make a retest of something this like this to this supply again, then give us a nice displacement of price, then this, you understand, then maybe give us a retest again to this breakaway gap. This breakaway gap is what is giving me strength here on DXY. But in as much as that breakaway gap has not been, what's happening to my mouse now? Sorry guys. In as much as, oh shit, I will repeat this drawing. So I said I anticipate price to do this for me, break here, then come back to this level, then to this very point, then come for maybe reasonable supply, then to this level. If price should peradventure break away from this level, then this breakaway gap is where I should anticipate a reasonable buy to, something like this. But if this does not happen, then we can just continue seeing a buy to the buy side, continue seeing a rally to the buy side. But as that has not happened so far, we are still very very much reserved in this, because this is price is just within a range of this very high and this low. So let's see how price reacts off it. So that will be all for DXY and GU analysis for this week. So guys, let's watch out, and next week we'll do much more better analysis. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please tap on the subscribe button for more content, because I'm ready to start dropping value back to back, and I'll be here always and always to um, analyze the charts, to trade with my fans, to also share trading experience with every trader out there. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you, and have a beautiful, peaceful week ahead. Ah.